Welcome back. Thousands of pilgrims from near and far have already started flocking to attend this year's Feast of St. Francis Xavier. For the first time, a special Spanish Mass will be held on Saturday afternoon. Also, the Papal Nuncio, that is Ambassador of the Vatican to India, and the Archbishop of Singapore are among the special invitees for the feast.
Every year, thousands of pilgrims undertake long and arduous padayatras to Old Goa to attend the feast of Goisa Sahib. Some of them, like these pilgrims, walk hundreds of kilometers, halting along the way.
मालवण तालुक्यासून पैब गांवांसून येयले हांव. आमकां असो अनुभव आसा आमचो जेजू ख्रिस्तार मेला आमचे खातीर त्याचे आमी कश्ट सदांच नियाळता. पूण चलोन वाट आमी येता कित्याक त्याचे खरेंच आमी आमच्या कामांनी कश्ट नियाळूंक शकना आनी ते कश्ट आमी चलता आसतना नियाळता आनी आमच्यो चिंतना कितें आसात त्यो आमच्यो खाजगी घरगुती गरजो त्यो आमच्यो देवाच्या पांया लागीं आमी समर्पूंक येता आनी साप्राशी सोयऱ्याच्या पांया कडेन त्यो आमी दवरता आनी म्हणटा तूं जेजू लागीं विनंती करून आमकां हें मेळोवन दी.
A special campsite specially set up for the pilgrims next to the basilica has already recorded over 1,000 pilgrims. Some others camp within the presence of the Basilica of Bom Jesus.
आत्तापर्यंतचे जे मी पदयात्रा करत आलेले आहे तर कम से कम मला तर हे 13वे वर्ष आहे आणि पदयात्रेच्या सुरुवात ज्या वेळेस मी केली त्यावेळेस मला हार्टचा प्रॉब्लेम होता आणि त्यानंतर मग मी सेंट फ्रान्सिस झेवियरला सांगितलं की बघ बाबा आता मी पुष्कळसं हॉस्पिटल बघितलेले आहेत आणि माझी परिस्थिती काही एवढी हायफाय नव्हती. जवळपासचे जेवढे पदयात्रेकरू आले ते बरेचसे मला ओळखतात आणि ते बरेचसे प्रेम देतात. ते प्रेम मी सांगू शकत नाही मला ते किती प्रेम देतात. म्हणून मला असं वाटते की मी जोपर्यंत माझ्या पायात दम आहे तोपर्यंत मी पदयात्रा करत राहील.
This year the feast is expected to be an important one, says Father Xavier.
For the main mass we have the Papal Nuncio. Nuncio is the ambassador of the Vatican to India, so it's called the Papal Nuncio. So he's the main celebrant. He is Archbishop Salvatore Pinaccio. Okay. Then we have also the Archbishop of Singapore joining us tomorrow. Then we have Archbishop Blas Colasso, with a retired nuncio. We are also expecting a lot of Spanish people this year from his hometown, Francis Xavier's home place, from Navarre and from and that is why we have kept a Spanish Mass at 3 p.m. It's a novelty. The first time we're having a Spanish Mass. That's because St. Francis Xavier was Spanish, and so we get a lot of people coming from Spain, and so we expect them to join the Mass also.
A reporter from Panji, Jason Suarez, with reporter Shyam Sundar Fatte and video journalist Sushant Parak.
Advocate Ranjit Satardekar has given an ultimatum of 8 days to appoint another information commissioner in the State Information Commission. Advocate Satardekar will file a PIL in the High Court if there is further delay in appointing another commissioner. Advocate Satish Sonak has termed this delay as a deliberate act by the government. Earlier, High Court had suggested that the State Information Commission should be a multi-member body.
Advocate Ranjit Satardekar has warned the government that he will go ahead with legal course of action if one more State Information Commissioner is not appointed immediately.
Immediately, the Goa State Information Commissioner be appointed, failing which I shall file public interest petition.
State Information Commission is functioning as a single member body. Advocate Satish Sonak says it is illegal and delay in appointment of new commissioner is a deliberate act by the government.
So in August last year, they knew that his term was getting over. It was the responsibility of the government to appoint another information commissioner in his place, but that appointment was not done. The files were not processed. Since August last year till now, whatever the decisions that were there, they are brought in a situation where things are illegal. The shocking part of this is that the Honorable Governor, His Excellency Governor, in fact he took an objection that this commission is acting illegally and this commission has no right to do any decisions against him because there is only one member. Now who is responsible? This government and this governor, they are playing with the people. They do not want to give information and therefore they are playing such games.
Our reporter from Panji, Devidas Kamli, with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
Pending developmental works in Madel seems to have irked its residents. They say PWD has turned a blind eye to their problems, causing hardships to the residents. The residents have now served an ultimatum to the officials to finish all pending works before 15th December.
A delegation of residents from Madel on Thursday met officials from the PWD. The residents demanded that pending works like laying of underground electricity cables, sewerage link works, Madel Nala and restoration of roads be taken up on an urgent basis. They say completion of these works has been held up, which is causing a lot of hardships to the residents.
15 डिसेंबर मेरेन दिल्लो आसा 15 डिसेंबर मेरेन जर हे काम जालें ना जाल्यार काल आज आमी जे आयला ते रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह हांगा सिग्नेचर कॅम्पेन जाल्ले आसा तरी आमचे सगळे सिग्नेचर पेपर येवपाचे आसा सगळ्या सोसायटी सगळ्या लोकांनी ठरयला 15 डिसेंबर मेरेन वाट पळोवया मागीर आमी लोकशाही पद्धतीन डेमोक्रेटीक पद्धतीन जे कितें जावपाचें ते 4 लोकांक विचारून करतले त्या डिसिजनाक आमी 15 डिसेंबराक उपरांत घेतले.
PWD officials have assured to complete the works as soon as possible.
Utility services are going on. Say such as L&T that they are laying in an underground cable work is going on, sewerage work is going on. So as soon as they complete their job, so we will do our road.
So they have given a deadline of 15th December. Will it be possible by 15th of December to complete the works?
No, that we have to see, no, unless this work is completed. So I cannot tell, but this work should complete.
The villagers have also given memorandums to South Goa Collector, Fatodda MLA Damu Naik and Ward Councillor. Our reporter from Margaon, Xavier Dias.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.